Welcome. In this Line Budgeter tutorial, we will be reviewing the chart of accounts in the Budget Builder. Building a budget is made simpler in Line Budgeter using our unique Budget Builder system. The first aspect you need to decide for your project is which chart of accounts to use, or COA. A COA is the structure of the various accounts used by a project budget. The three levels are commonly the top sheet, accounts, and details. The numbering of these levels are referred to as the major, the minor, and the sub-account. In the Budget Builder COA screen, you are offered a number of options to set up your project for success by choosing a COA which best fits your needs. Another way to think of a COA is as a checklist. The various accounts inside of a budget are reviewed as you proceed through the budget making process. Monies are added or not to each area. In the end, you have a fully filled budget and have used the COA as a reference to ensure you didn't miss anything. However, what happens when you use a COA built for a feature film on a project you're doing which is a live comedy show? You start to see a great number of accounts you do not use and are not aware of accounts you may actually need. This is why Line Budgeter offers a staggering number of COAs custom built for a variety of project types. Regardless of what sort of project you're doing, Line Budgeter has you covered, from features in television to stage plays and yes, even live comedy shows. Once you've chosen your COA, you can further customize your project by excluding default accounts from your initial framework. You can do this from the top sheet or major, and even in the accounts or minor. Inside an account, you can see the Line Budgeter has already designated the common line types found within. Of course, you can alter this here, and Line Budgeter will act accordingly. On the right, you can change the mask or the pattern of account numbering for your budget. You also have the ability to determine if your mask needs to be standard or concatenated. Concatenated combines the major and minor into one number. If you're not sure about changing any aspects of your mask settings, feel free to use the defaults or consult your studio or accounting department for more guidance. In the section under the mask settings, you can determine how many of a particular type of crew you may want your framework to build. By default, only one of each position is created. Lastly, you can determine where your fringes are bucketed into. Commonly, this is the last sub-account of an account. In this example, the mask has a sub-account of 3 digits. Therefore, fringes will be placed in the 999 account. Line Budgeter handles the display of fringes in the budget in a unique way. And while you will never see the 999 account in a budget, you have confidence that it is there for outputs to your payroll service provider. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, be sure to watch some of the additional videos on our channel or reach out to us directly. Links to our Reddit and support are in the comments below. Thank you, and best of luck on your projects.